Today's a Sunday. It's a sunny Sunday. It's a weekend. So I wanted to bike. One of my friends in Cevizlibag is sick, so I decided to go all the way to Cevizlibag from Galata. It's a way that I've never took before, not even walking or by any transportation. So it's gonna be the first time I go this way, and it's with a bike. So let's see how it will be. I'll cross a bridge called that I've never been to before. The distance is approximately 16 tram stations, which is too much. So let's see if I can do it. It's sunny, but it's a bit windy, so I'm afraid. Okay, so I just came to the bridge. I'm walking with the cars on the bridge. To come here, I had to go through a tunnel. I'm so scared, to be honest. But the bridge is beautiful. It's my first time in it. Let's see if I'll reach there. They were cheering me. Or they're perverts, I don't know. I reached Further. I'm with the cars. It's crazy. To say something about the film festival. It started with the 1st of April, so you guys, if you're in Istanbul, you need to visit it. So I'm now in 15th Temmuz staying in Fatih, going down to the tram line, and then I'll be walking with the tram for almost, I think, 10 to 9 stations. Okay, so it got warmer. Okay, now I'm in a calm area. It's a beautiful area. Flat finally. I'm 2 minutes away from the destination. I've been biking now for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and I'm so glad I did that. So tired though. Okay, the thing is, that it's hilly, and the second thing that I had to go with the cars and tunnels and highways, so it was a bit scary. But it went well, so I advise you guys to grab a bike in a sunny weekend if you don't have one. Rent one and, die like I'm dying now. Finally arrived to my destination. Been biking for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I feel like I've done good sports, and that's a good thing. Besides enjoying the weather and going through very new places to me. Okay, so now I finished and I'm going back home, but I don't have 3G, I don't have internet, so I'll depend on the signs written on the street, just like old times, and let's see how will this lead me to home. Okay, I ended up being in a beautiful park by the old city walls. I don't know where I am, what is it called, but it's so beautiful. I took another way to go back home, the way I'm more familiar with. Okay, so I'm now in Galata Bridge finally. Went all the way from Sultanahmet, Sirkeci, Eminönü. So it was a very beautiful way, and it was very, very vivacious, full of life, extremely crowded with people, very refreshing to bike through all of that. I think I've been biking now for 3 hours. I'm fine, good. Go home and very satisfied for the rest of the week.